Hello everybody. The definition of a woman farmer entered the French dictionary in 1961. Since then, women have gone from total invisibility in the agricultural sector to shared ownership or autonomous management of farms. In my country, their situation has changed a lot, especially since the 80s, when a specific status was created for women farmers. Since then, women have received more and more recognition for their work in the fields. The same evolution can be observed in the countries of the European Union. Today, 1 in 4 French farmers is a woman, compared to 8% in the 70s. However, only 20% of those manage their own farm. In most cases, the size of this farm is small. Although the situation of women in agriculture has improved a lot in recent decades, it has stagnated in recent years, thus a greater aging of the female farmer population. Today, the women farmers in the agricultural population, 40% of them are over 65 and only 5% are under 35. Many women farmers work under great pressure. All too often, they share the responsibility of the work in the field, plus the house chores and family burden. They have to combine all these hours of work in one day. So that means that they are very tired and they have 2 long working days. And also, they face a conflict of gender role. Rural women have also very limited access to training programs that would help them organize better to face all these chores, maybe mainly because of this lack of time. This lack of time can also have as a consequence the fact that they will use their children to help them to face everything. So it's not a good combination. In a context where the agricultural population is aging, the level of generation renewal is still very limited, women could really make a considerable contribution to the regeneration of the agricultural sector and the rural fabric in general. This is a very good time to talk about the future of rural women, given the implementation of the new strategic plans of the Common Agricultural Policy, which will come in force in 2023. I would like to emphasize that the principle of gender balance and gender equality has been reinforced in the new CAP regulations. This shows the political will of the European institutions to help women achieve a better professional status in the agricultural sector. In recent decades, the modernization of agriculture has been instrumental in promoting women's entrepreneurship. I am convinced that in the years to come, they will be able to play a key role in the integration of new technological progress. It is clear that precision farming is a necessity to strengthen the role of women in the agricultural sector. Innovation will undoubtedly stimulate their incorporation into this activity and allow them to become key players in the ecological transition of the European Union agricultural sector. Looking to the future, I would like to list some of the measures that would be necessary to improve the situation of women farmers. First, we should achieve greater recognition of the women who still work in the fields in the shadow of their husbands. Their working conditions should be improved and the existing wage gap with the male collective should be eliminated. We should strive to improve gender equality by further promoting the status of joint ownership of farms and female entrepreneurship. Second, we should improve the infrastructures in rural areas that is essential to facilitate women's access to farm ownership. Particular attention should be paid to the most remote areas. They are the weakest in terms of infrastructure. I talk also about all the care infrastructure, the place where the children can be kept while the woman works in the farm. It is also necessary to encourage women's access to education and training programs, both in the agricultural sector and in those aimed at diversifying economic activities in rural areas. Training is essential for women to take on new responsibilities and for farms to adapt to future changes. A greater change of mentality in rural areas is also essential. Remember that traditionally, farms have been inherited mainly by men. This trend should disappear completely. It is also necessary to increase the professional opportunities offered to young people in rural areas in order to avoid an exodus that would reduce the involvement of women in the agricultural sector. Women should have a greater say in decision-making, which implies better representation in professional organization. Also, the situation has improved significantly. There are still disparities in the representation of men and women. Finally, in order to better understand the situation of women, farmers, and to implement the necessary support policies, it would also be very important to improve the statistical information available on their situation in the countryside. Women farmers are the solution, they are not the problem. So I thank you very much for your attention.